Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about politician. Politician, they are a teacher. They are a teacher to change someone are thinking and to show someone to do something, someone him to see what you doing to bring to change him thinking to start to follow what you doing with the good. Politicians, they are a teacher. Politicians, they are not dictator. Politician, not in government only. Nalav is a politician. Every your life is a politician. This is my example. When you're going to change to meet girls, she's a no follow you, and you love her, you have to do politician. How you can change her, how you can challenge her to think she can start to follow you. The same na women. Women they have education and the politician. Sometimes them they shame to talk direct to say I love you. Na them they have trick how he can show you to show you love him. To sing you can follow her. He have how he can show you. Now when a woman she show you, she look you are not follow her, and the end there can be violence. She that don't want to talk to you. When you greet him, don't talk with me. Now when you have education family, politicians they work good, you know why she that don't want to talk to you. You're going to know this woman, she was a show me love. I'm not follow her. They cause him this problem. And when you are a politician, you can solve him this violence he have with you. When you are politician, they have education. Every my story I talk small story, literally to be story, the longer story, the total story, they can be in a book. This is a story they like 20 pages. Now I talk short. I talk this politician, they are a teacher. Love, they are a politician and they are a teacher. All your life, they are a politician and a teacher. All they need to have education family. People have education family. Education family. They teach everything. Politician, love, everything. He can end her love with violence. When love they come, finish love, they walk away like they come. And you meet them in the street, they happy each other, they're talking each other, they don't have violence. They don't have violence. And when you been, you know them, you're thinking already they're together. This is it. They have love, politician, and they have love, teaching, and they have love, education family. Education family to make like this. The same na politician. Politician, they are a teacher. And they are education. When they lost education, and politician, they'll show you where you been you are. You can walk a street, we were comfortable. Everywhere you go, they have to attack you. Meaning, politician you did, control you did, they don't have education family. I give you example. This gentle Tanzania. I told you I don't want to talk lot of story to her. Now I'm not going to talk lot of story to her. When I talk story to her, and in a love story, they need a book. They need to writing a book. Now, this gentle, he was a teacher. They training him a teacher. And he started training him politician. You have to know her story when he was a teacher. This gentle. No teacher, you have to know they need education family. He being a teacher, he have education family. And this gentle, he go in a politician. And he have politician family. They bring him, this gentle, to move government. Him to drive a bicycle in the street. Him to drive a bicycle to go in her farm. Is not escape our country. And no anybody, he hit him eggs. Not know anybody, he used bad language to her. And he's never been refugees around the world. He died her country, now Aguland the son, Aguland the daughter, they there. This is to miss education family. You lost everything. You lost politician, you lost your life, you lost everything. Now I want to ask you, Prime Minister. I remember when he was talking to TV, they asked him, he put legal. They say, why you put this legal? They're not against the international law. He say, I did legal to put refugees into attention, international what he did. These people, why I ask him a question, there are responsibilities there. Why he talking, he shows society with the hard responsibility. There was a hard responsibility. I'm not scared of him to ask him a question. I was scared to die. I'm not scared of what he wants to do to me. And I ask him a question. To put, to building attention, to put society. As Australia, they get their profit to this building. They bring profit to Australia, to government. Another question. I ask him a question. This is the people, they live there. Government, they have income, they get there. Profit, they get there. Another question. Those people, they live there. They have profit to government and they happy to this profit. They get there. Now when I talk, they hit me. Them to be friendly, they start to hit me. Don't talk. Don't talk. Stop it. They're thinking when I'm going to start to talk, why scare this? Don't talk. Now I scare people, they come to my door to block my door. I'm not scared to walk a street. Why scare people, they come to my door. Now this all, they did this to lose education family and politician family. When you don't have education family, you have to know what education family, the politician, they have everything. They have a politician. You have to know. Now they bring to destroy country, and already them, they don't have education family, they not think they destroy them. When you lost education family, they bring you to forget to know what you're doing, what you lost. They not see, they can't see what they lost. To put their people, now if they stay there 100 years, already they lost. And they don't have any profit, they get there. They don't have any profit, they get there. And they cause a lot of damage to Australia. We have countries, they have poison, neighbors, and they're not happy each other. They're not happy each other. They can bring this poison Australia, we start to escape Australia. And we start to face this problem, treatment, how Australia, the treatment, society outside. This is my example. When I escape my country, I never work with Idi Amin government. I start to face this problem. They start to torture me about Idi Amin. Everywhere you go, I'm not going to say this here. Every country I've been here, I face this problem for her. And I face problem Milton Obote. And I never work with the government Milton Obote. And I believe when I continue to live 400 years, when I live 400 years, I'm going to face this problem, Museveni, and I never work with him. Now you have to know now what you doing is not protect your society in the future when problems they come. All countries they have war, they never born with war. War is the one time to come. When you think you have your neighbor, you are not happy with her, you have to know when the time there will be war, and then the time the people, your society, they can be refugees. Now, this another problem they cause. You are not see this problem. You see here, you can see there, and you see back. You are not see back to know where we coming from. Australia, I believe we coming from war, violence. You are not see back where we coming from. I believe no any people small little Australia, they not come here about problem. Now if you born here, little your history, your grand why he come here. Don't forget this. This to forget your history, grand, close education family. Close education family. When you have education family, you will never forget history, your grandfather, grandmother. You will never forget. Always you remember. I remember when I was at Spring Valley, they torture me to get a job. Ne one girl, she born here, she say, no, my father and my mother, they been like you. They have problem like you. They escape our country, the lawyer, the doctor, they come here, they never do it, this job. They face a lot of problem. I'll get for you job. I'll try to think I help you job. And she try to get for me job. She try. I'm not blame her. She was a remember high story parents. And I know now her children is going to remember her grandies. Now education family, when you have education family, you can't do mistake. You can't do mistake. Every you're going to do, first you sitting, you look what is they going to get good and another what is they going to get bad. Like me, what am I doing? I know what good they're going to be to me. I know what bad they're going to be to me. And I decide all to be to me. Why? I want society to solve this finding the fighting, they know how not fighting. To finding the prison, they know how to be prison. To finding someone, he talk to someone and I love you. Hello, police! They abuse me. To come to put him in prison. This is a problem to everybody, not saying with the woman and not is the man. Women, they have this problem. And it touches the women, they have this problem here, members of parliament. I feel pain for her. To abuse him in public. I told her I talk with a lot of people, they read my story, I put there. Women, they meet me, they say, you like this woman? I don't like this woman. You like him? I say, no. Why you don't like him? I talk with them. After they say, thank you to talk with you. I'm not going to hit this woman again. Boy is the same. Na teenager the same. Na them they talk about this. I talk with they say, no, thank you to talk with you. Education family, you can do mistake. And the education family, you do mistake, you have to apologize. Now I ask you my question, what is the income they get there? Now I tell you, when I want to come to Canada, my example. Canada, I'm not going to talk all story. There's a lot of story. It's a short story. I cut story. I'm not going to tell you a story why they come like this. Canada, I want to go Canada, I put my documents. They call me, they say, no, they tell me why they don't want to take me this. And when they tell me, I find it's a true story. When I see my story I have there, South Africa, and in them they tell me story, and they have communication with the South Africa, they show me another one. I never hit them with the bad. I go good way, I walk away good. Now a woman, she say, I'm going to fighting for you. This she do me for interview. I'll continue fighting for you. And after, they send me money, they send me stuff to do business. This gentle Canada. When I go in the bank, when this data, they come to my enemy to receive this. This is they keep it. And when they finish to send them another letter, we return the stuff. again, and they give me the letter me to going to receive this stuff. I find stuff they finish to go. I go to embassy, woman she look me, she cry. She say, I think you are not here. I contact UN refugees, they told me you are finished to go. You are finished to go, you are not here. Now I see her, she start to cry. She said, I'm not cry about this stuff they go. I sent yesterday. I'm crying about you anytime you can die. And to die, I'm not help you. My help all they not help you. And she writing later again Canada. She say, I'm not going to contact any office. She give me phone. She say every week call phone. When I get something, I get any information, I want to between with me with you, 2 people only. I don't need another people to go to your case. After 2 weeks, I come here Australia. I never forget Canada. Canada, he was a gentleman. He have education. To know these people, I'm not help him this problem. And to know these people, he been her life back there. They don't have problem income. They were not have problem income. Now he starts to know this man. Now he have all problem, and him to send me to do business. Now meaning when I get money, I'm not going to start to say, I need help. I start to use this money to look in another country. And I never forget country, Canada. And I never not stop to pray for them. This is to do you have education family. Now this education family, Australia, there was a use this to these refugees. To this they put it, to going to building there, to lose this money, to looking if they need help, to help refugees permanent like me. Now if they don't want refugees permanent like me, to give them transport a ticket only. Go Kenya, go South Africa if you need to go South Africa. If you need to go Zambia, if you need to go there, go there. When you go there, open a bank account and go to open bank account, and they give them information or contact this here. Will give you a small business you to living. Now this, they were not cause more problem. They were not cause more economic, and they were the bullying. Now those people always to love Australia like me. I never get anything. This they send me. I never get it. And I always my love is Canada. I don't have any country I love like Canada. Them they try to want to support my problem in refugees. Refugees is the longer way. I pray for Australian, don't be refugees. I pray for them. Don't be refugees. When you will be refugees, you will start to share this politician problem. You will start to share this problem. This is there was the solve this problem. Australia they not lost too much, and now those people always they play Australia, always they happy. Always they happy to Australia. Now this is my question. I want to answering. What is the profit he get their government? And this is my question. You have to answering my question. Don't say I don't like you. I like you. I love you. I love you. I like my country. To think we can slow violence. And I like you to have education family. They'll continue to protect economic Australia. Now I show you how you lost economic in this attention, and you don't have any profit you get there, and you don't have any you doing there they'll be good to you, and you don't have any good you do there in the future they'll help society Australia. Before I show you in a farmer, they not help government, they not help Australia. This violence the same. And already you will never go to TV to say sorry what I did. Now you will never go to TV to say thank you my friend, sorry I'm not follow you, now I'm follow you to be together to protect the society Australia and to protect economic. Don't thinking when I need to protect economic, I can protect economic. I'm a business. Every business, you have experience to protect economic. You have never been in business. You understand? You understand what I'm talking? I'm a business. When I need to protect you economic, I will protect you economic. I will protect you economic. I'm a business. Now what am I doing? I'm a protect economic. You don't know I'm a protect your economic. Now to see you don't care economic. You don't care economic, and you don't care society. You don't care economic, you don't care society. You want this economic to start to bring society problem, to use this economic to attack society. And they know how to economic to attack society. We need you to go to TV to apologize. If you don't want to apologize me, don't apologize. They go to TV, say sorry. All I will do it, not real. They destroy economic, and all we do it, they not protect society. I'm sorry. This is important to society. We want to hear this to you. We want you to have to get education, to understanding sorry is very important to you. And sorry they protect you. And to correct mistake, they protect you. They're not going to protect me. Me already, you finish to destroy me. You finish to destroy my life. And don't say, I'm talking, I'm not talking. I have rubbish, lot of rubbish you did to me, I never talking. And when I talk like this story, is a shame. Name me, I like my country. I can talk this story, and I can tell in my family. Now if I been close with my family, I can talk with them. I can tell them this, to know this, and now them to start to get distress. Now, you go to TV, apologize. This is not control. This is the control, not politician. This is the control, not education family. This is the control they cause everybody problem, and they cause now you problem. Now you, to think you don't have education family, they bring you not know now you they cause problem. They cause you problem. And they bring you to be upset to me. Don't talk. I tell you where you're coming from. People they're talking. I put them in a camp. People they're talking. Me camp, I know attention is like a prison. I've been in prison. I've been in a prison. Now I ask you question again. How many you want this attention to be there? How many years you want them to move this attention? When you put someone in a court they have to judge him. If it's 10 years, him to go outside. Now this is my question. I forget. Another question. How many years you want them to stay there? Who judge? He judges them this to stay there. When you think you have your country, they have democracy. Always you're talking your country, they have democracy. Now I want to ask you a question. Who judge? He judges them to be there to attention. And how many years they're going to stay there? No. Society you put inside jiggers, them they follow, they say the true. Ne they don't know na them, you already you start to them to put jiggers in the brain. Na them they lost everything, they don't understand where they were. They come to attack me to my door. They come to attack me when they meet me street. Don't talk. Don't talk. Stop it. We need a society to stop violence.